This is Poppy Corn Surprise and Whether you've seen 1,000 million episodes or just one, come with us on this Power Rangers bear hunt.
Click like and subscribe, and the Power Rangers will give you $100 and cookies. What's up, you guys? We're going on the Power Rangers bear hunt.
Aw, yeah.
We're going on a Power Rangers bear hunt. Don't ever stop. We're going on a Power Rangers bear hunt. Ploppity plop plop plop. The Mighty Morphin Power Rangers bear hunt. Starring Poppy Chieko Rose Fisher as the Pink Ranger. Whoosh. Starring Griffin and Ari as the Blue Ranger.
Pudgy Pig. Pudgy Pig, you fool. What are you doing? I'm just looking for something to eat, boss. Well, keep your wits about you, Pudgy Pig. I've sent a space bear after those rangers. This could be the grand finale. Should I tell her that I don't know what a space bear is, or just stay quiet?
Later, in the void.
Yes.
Is pink really your favorite color?
It's one of them.
What's your favorite Ranger color?
Oh, I love teal, but I don't really know. I like all.
I feel like, didn't you used to really like Purple Ranger?
Yeah, but I also like gold and silver.
Yeah, gold and silver. Gold's awesome. All right.
We're going on the Power Rangers bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. Are you?
Go for it, robot run, go! Robot run.
Daddy,
Yes.
I'll say robot run. Oh no! We can't go over the zip line. We can't go under the zip line. We just have to go straight through it.
Let's do this. Yeah. Oh, and you're coming back. Go.
Let's look around for this spaceship.
The Space Bear, one of the galaxy's biggest rogues, is on his way. I don't know if you guys know this, but the Space Bear we're looking for has a spaceship.
Oh no, go flip.
It's a cliff?
Yeah.
How are you going to get down it? Wait a minute, can you go under it?
Nope.
Can you go over it?
Nope.
Then you just have to go down it, son. What? Let's do this. Don't worry, Blue Ranger Griffin. You got this. Climbing down a cliff is no thing to you. As a matter of fact, why don't you go as slow as you want and make it look cool? Pose a little bit on your way down, if you know what I mean. That's right. You are the Blue Ranger. Take your time, buddy. Job. You're the man. Quick, Blue Ranger, hop in the Blue Ranger mobile and cut that punk off at the pass. We have every reason to believe that Space Bear is in that yellow car. But you just cut him off. It's no thing to you, Blue Ranger. Now circle around and let's get this guy. That was one action-packed car chase. Blue Ranger, what's going on in here?
Just body.
Huh?
Bye.
You got any ice cream?
Nope.
Hungry for ice cream, Blue Ranger.
Daddy.
What's up? Oh, good. Some ice cream.
I think.
What flavor is this?
Later.
Vanilla? Thanks, Blue Ranger. I'm gonna eat this. Guess this is just vanilla ice cream. Oh, so good. More ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, but I think I'm full.
No. See, now. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go and go on a walk and see what we can find.
Hold on, we're not ready. Okay, green light. Red light. Green light. Yellow light. Green light. Red light. Oh no. Two paths. Can't go over them, both of them at the same time. So I guess we're just gonna have to pick one. Okay. Step. 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 It's like a Savannah. All right.
There's very few trees.
What is this?
What do I hear?
What is that sound?
Oh, brother. It's the Space Bear spaceship, Space Force -1. And he's coming in hot.
All right, Poppy. What did you think about that off-roading terrain that we just handled?
It was cool. But
Yeah.
I really wanted to play.
You want to play?
Yeah, and then.
Okay.
Oh, it takes us over there. Oh, wait, it takes us to there. It takes us to there. What in the heck are we doing?
What are we doing?
We can't go. Oh no, it's a hill. We can't go under it. We can't go through it. We just have to go over it and go down. Done.
Good job, Pink Ranger. We did it. At long last, the Blue Ranger, Griffin Anari, finds his way into the Space Bear's secret Space Force -1 lair.
No, Gaia found it.
You don't think this is it?
No,
What is this?
a basic bad dino.
A what?
A basic bad dino.
Yeah. Spaceship Bear Dino. Exactly. Just as the Blue Ranger was about to give up and leave, the Space Bear showed up. Don't go too fast there now, Space Bear. We don't want you to put yourself out. Back over the cliff, back over the zip line. Space Bear! Roll back down the hill. Roll, puppy, roll. Oh no! Griffin got his foot stuck! We got it. Can you still walk? Go, Griff, go!
Poppy, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready, Griffin. Let's go, Power Rangers! Hey, Poppy, how come we didn't do our own voices in the scene? Because it's past our bedtime and Daddy's up editing. Oh, okay.
Look, Space Bears are pretty tough, but they are absolutely nothing compared to 2 full-grown Rangers.
Please enjoy these explosions brought to you courtesy of the Power Rangers. Go, Power Rangers, don't ever stop.
really steam my biscuits, Pudgy Pig. If you all would like to see another video where I get a chance at a rematch, smash that like button. Do it, and I'll push Pudgy Pig down this trap.
Oh man, I can't even fall down the trap right.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring my bell. Come on, ring my bell, yeah.